Alright, so here we go. Unfortunately, this will be the last one that I'm doing with my class in here because they're about to go to connections. I'll have to do the others later. It says 3 tennis balls are in a can like the figure below. Answer the following questions. The first question is, what is the volume of each tennis ball? Now, to find the volume of each tennis ball, I have to use the formula of 4 over 3 pi r cubed. And the reason I have to do that is because a tennis ball is the shape of a sphere. Now they tell us that my tennis ball has a radius of 3. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use 4 over 3 times pi times 3 cubed. What is 3 cubed, Justin? Which is? 27, that's correct. 3 times 3 is 9. 9 times 3 is 27. So this right here equals 27. Pi and then 4 over 3. Now you're going to learn as you're working with math that I could multiply 27 times 4 and then divide it by 3. But there's another way I can solve this to keep my numbers easier. I can do 27 divided by 3. 27 divided by 3 equals what? 9. So what I'm left with is 4 times pi times 9. 4 times 9 equals what? 36. That's correct. So I'm left with 36 pi inches cubed. So that is the volume of one tennis ball. So up here I would write 36 pi inches cubed. The next question is asking, what's the volume of all the tennis balls? Well, if one tennis ball is 36 pi inches cubed, how would I find the volume of 3 of them? What do you think, Daniel? Yes, you could. Yeah, you could add them together, or you can multiply times 3. I heard someone else say that. So, because there's 3 balls. So whenever I multiply that together, 6 times 3 is going to equal 18. Carry your 1. 3 times 3 is 9. Plus 1 is 10. So 108 pi inches cubed. That's for all 3 of them. So we have 108 pi inches cubed. Now the next question, what is the diameter of each tennis ball? Someone tell me what is the diameter of each tennis ball. Let's go to Ree. Ree. What do you think? What is the diameter of each tennis ball? 6. How'd you know that? That's right. Good job. Everyone give Ree a round of applause. Alright, because the radius is 3 inches, so double that would be the diameter, 6 inches. Next question, what is the height of the can? Alright, so now for me to know what the height of the can is, I need to break it down a little easier. One ball is 6 inches high. How tall are 2 tennis balls? What do you think, Tristan? 12 inches, that's right. So how tall are 3 tennis balls? What do you think, Lauren? 18 inches. Great job. So there's my answer for that one. 18 inches, because it's 3 balls is the height. What is the volume of the can? So in this case, for volume of the can, let me get me some room here. I'm going to take all this away. Alright. So for volume of a can, I'm going to use, because it's a cylinder, I'm going to use pi r squared times height. And in this case, my radius is going to be 3, because a ball fits in there. Pi 3 squared. And my height is going to be 18, because we already talked about that this is going to be 18 inches high. Alright, so now I'm going to need some help from some students. I know 3 times 3 is 9, but my question is, what is 9 times 18? Let's go to Lee. 162, I agree. So this equals 162 pi inches cubed. So I would write that up here, 162 pi inches cubed. The very last question is, how much volume of the can is taken up by empty space? Alright, so if the volume of the can is this much, And then the volume taken up by the balls is this much. Someone tell me, how would I find out how much is empty space? I would subtract them. Good job, yeah. So I'm going to subtract them, and someone tell me what's my final answer for how much empty space is in there. Does anyone in here know? 54, that's right. Good job. I would subtract it, and I would get 54 pi inches cubed. Don't forget about the pi, okay? He's always there. So that is the answer to the very last question. All right, guys, now it's time to go to connection. Say bye.